Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Memperkenalkan, saya Isa Sensatif NRP 502624114 dari kelas A, dan hari ini we're going to do a challenge for Cisco's Pocket Tracer. Here we have a general preview of what to expect from challenge 1 and challenge 2. So you can see that challenge 1 is about connecting two different networks with a router, so there'll be 3 routers. And for challenge number 2, we're going to have 4 routers instead of 3. Okay, first of all, let's start with placing a router. Yep. Now, the next step is connecting the routers. And here, and here. See how they are currently red? That's because we first need to give them IPs, which we can find right here. So, see these gigs or these labels? This one has 0/0/0 and this one has 0/0/1. Here, you can see that the 0/0/1 is already pre-filled, and for this new one, we're going to set it up ourselves. So first, let's type in 192.168 and let's do 3.1 and what's that? 22. There you go. This one's set and it's on. Now we're going to move on to the second one. And since this one is connected to 0/0/0, let's put in the other code and the other IP address. Let me copy this first. Okay. Now we're going to put it here. 0.1. There. Now this line here is going to be the 3.0 line. Where's labels? Where's my labels? Here. And then first one will also give it another label. 3.2. And this one, oh wait, no. And this one, we're going to give it the other label, 3.1, and set. Okay, move that here. Now we're going to move on this line here, which will have the 4 code. Okay, 4.1. This one will be connected to this other what's it called again? Router. The 0/0/1 is already pre-filled, but the 2.0 line here, the IP address. Now we're going to fill this one, but 4.2. So there'd be a line here that match. Okay. See how the line is currently still in the red? Right here. We can solve that by turning it on and on. Okay. So first, let's skip time to make sure it works. And now with a simulation, let's test if this can work. So this is a ping. Goes on and then up again, and oh no, it got rejected. So why is this? Why did it get rejected? Well, while we did set up IPs for the IP addresses for these routers, we still didn't make them know each other first. Like, yeah, they need to know each other first. So first, let's this way. Let's make some more labels first to make it easier for the next steps. This will be the 4 line. Okay. Now, put this up here. Okay. To make these routers know each other and where they are placed, let's first give them static routes. So like, this is just a way for them to automatically give what they have to the other network. So first, let's make this router, the first one, get to know the route to this router and this router, and then down to this route. So let's target the 4.0 line first. 4.0 subnet mask 25555. Wait, no, 255.255.0. And why 255.555.5 3 times? Because this is a class C IP address. Now we are. So you see how to get to this line, this router first needs to go through this IP address, which is the gig 000 line, which has 168.3.1. So let's add that in. Add. Now, secondly, we will get the line for 2.0 with the entrance from 1.9, 4.0 or 4.222. Okay, 1.2, and to get there we need 4.2. I mean 0.0. We need to go to 2.0, and to do that we need to go to 4.2 here and add. That's not all, because we also need to fill out this router as well. So first, we're going to go to the same gigs. I'll just call them gigs for now. Then you go to gig 00.1, aka the 4.2 IP address, to get to the 2.0. And for the 1.0, we need to go through the 3.2 gig. Okay, let's do the 2.0 one first. 2.0 255. And then the 4.2. And now let's add this one. 2.1 and 2.0 and 1.0. For this one, we'll use 3.2. And that's one done. Now, this last one will be using these other connecting these other routers as well. Static network. Let's do 1.0 first. 1.0 mask 255.255.255. Okay, and next hop is 3.2. Add. Now, to get to the 3.0 line, we'll have to use the we'll be using the 4.1 line to get to the 3.01. So first, let's change this to 3.0 and 4.1. And okay, this is all set up. Now we'll first test it with a ping. Here. Test in progress and failed. So let's see what happened. Let's here. And let's bring it up first. See how they're moving through the routers. We seem to stop here first. Okay. Time. Delete. Let's try it again. These routes needs to learn about their paths first before a successful message sent. Progress failed and successful. There you go. And if you do it again, I'm sure it's going to be successful as well. Successful, and there we go. An experiment is invalid if it's successful only once. It needs to be repeatable, just like so. Now let's see the thing in action. Okay. So they first go to the switch like before. Oh wait. Go first to the switch like before. Move on again and again and again. Now, see how the ping gets sent to both computers? That's because this is a hub which shares all messages to all connecting computers. All it needs to do is share, while the computer who is meant to receive the mail will accept it, while the one that doesn't or isn't supposed to accept the mail will just delete it, like here. So okay, while since it's got the ping, it will send back the results to the first computer. It also shares it back here, which will also get rejected. Going there, go down, and remember how this hub kept sharing all of its contents to every connecting party? Well, the switch is a little smarter in that it will only give the mail or the ping back to the original host, like so. And there you go, a successful ping. Now we're going to do the second challenge, which is say 1, except there's 4 routers instead of 3. So first, let's move this to the far right side. Okay. And move this as well for the new router that's going to be connected. First do this. Oh, okay, so we're first going to delete this line here. And now to add the other router. Like that. And connect it like before. Okay. Right here and connect here. First of all, we're going to the step like before, which is add IP addresses. So first, since we deleted the first the third no, actually we didn't delete it. We moved it here and give it a new router group. So that is current path is still the same. The showing 0/0/01 gig, but this router has nothing at the moment. See right here. So let's add that first. This. Now let's hit here. 0.2. Okay, that's set up. Now for this new route, we're going to give it the, since this is 3 and this is 4, let's do 5. To the 5.1 to IP address. Okay. Now that's set up. Let's also give this one a new IP address. This one is the gig 001 line to connect it. So here we'll replace 4.2 with 4.2. There we go. Just like this one. Okay. Now the crucial step is to turn them on before anything else. On and on. Okay. Let's also give them labels. This is the 1.050. This gig is the 5.1, and this gig is 5.2. Yeah. Okay. Now that that's done, let's connect these pieces together. Now, let's continue with getting these routers to know each other again. First, let's go to static, and this current one is fine to still use because it's still connected properly to the appropriate line. But this time, this 2.0 line won't work because 4.2 is no longer the receiving gig to get to this line. It's now 5.2. So let's remove this and add in the new gig, which is 5.2. Okay, we're going to get these routers to know each other, and to do that, we're going to go to static network. The next destination we want is 4.0. So first, add in 4.0, 255, and then 3.21. Okay, because this is the gig to get there. And there you go. For the second command, going to the 5.0 line, which is gate kept by 4.2. And 2. And lastly, we're going to add the 2.0 line. 0 and 5.2. Okay, this router knows the way to this router now. Line, the imaginary line here. And now we're going to add this one. This is all the pre-filled before. This is the 5.0 line. Now we're going to create the 2.0 one. So we'll add in the working on 255, and next hop is 5.2, like earlier. Okay, now this one. This one is the new router edit, so it'd be an empty for the first time. Now, we're going to connect this router to 3.0 and then 1.0. Oh, there's also 2.0 right here. Let's connect to 2.0 first. Well, and we'll use the 5.2 one. And 5.2. Add. Now the connecting here. So the 3.01, the one that's protected by 4.1. 0 and 4.1. Add. And last but not least, 1.0 that's protected by 3.2. Yeah. 0 to 2. Add. Okay. Now the last router. The first third one. This command is still valid, but this one is. Oh wait, it's also valid. It's still a match. But for this new route, the 4.001, we need to add in a new command. 5255550. And now, the next hop will add in 4.1. Now, the moment of truth. Like before, we'll need to do multiple send things before we can include that it works. So, this first test, and in progress, and a fail. Second test, in progress, fail. Now, the third time is always the charm. Successful. And I'll do it again. Successful. And just one more time from this side. Successful. Okay. Now let's see the interaction in action. From the PC to here. First the mail goes up to the switch, then up to the router. And then it goes to multiple routers from there to there to there. Finally, it goes down to the hub where it gets shared to every connected party, the PCs, and the recipient got the ping. It sends back, and it gets shared to every party again, and it travels back, and back to the first switch, and then back to the original sender. Okay, 2 challenges completed. That's all from me. Thank you all for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.